In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export contacts in Outlook. Let's get started by opening your web browser and going to outlook.live.com. This is the Outlook web experience. If you land in your inbox, switch to the People view, which is where your contacts live. You can find it in the App Switcher or left sidebar labeled People. Once you're in the People area, look for the option called Manage Contacts. That's where all the tools for bringing contacts in and sending them out are grouped together. First, let's import contacts. In Manage Contacts, choose Import Contacts. Outlook expects a CSV file, which is the most common format for contacts exported from other services like Gmail, iCloud, or a previous Outlook account. If your contacts are in a spreadsheet, make sure to save or export that sheet as a CSV before you continue. On the Import Contacts screen, click Browse, then pick the CSV file from your computer. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right file, especially if you keep multiple backup versions. When you're ready, click Import. Outlook will process the file and add those entries to your contacts. If you don't see them immediately, give the page a quick refresh first. Keep in mind that Outlook may try to handle duplicates by merging details under one contact, which helps prevent clutter. If anything looks off, you can edit individual contacts afterward. Now let's export your contacts, which is great for backups or moving your address book to another app. From the same People area, open Manage Contacts again and select Export Contacts. You'll be asked what you want to export. Choose all contacts if you want a complete backup. This ensures every person in your list is included, which is helpful before switching devices or trying a new email service. When you're set, click Export. Outlook will generate a CSV file and download it to your computer. You can open that file in a spreadsheet app to review or import it into another service later. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your exported CSV in a safe place as a backup. If your import file came from another service, make sure the columns are clearly labeled like name, email, and phone to help Outlook map the data correctly. And if you're testing a large migration, consider importing a small sample first to confirm everything looks right. That's it. You now know how to import and export contacts in Outlook quickly and confidently.